We'll guide you through how to add audio effects in CapCut using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and create a new project, or open an existing one where you want to add audio effects. Once your project is open, you'll see the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and import the video clip you want to work on by clicking the Import button and selecting your file from your computer. When your video is in the timeline, look at the top menu and click on the Audio tab. Here, you can choose from various audio options like music, sound effects, or even voiceover if you want to add narration. To add specific audio effects, click on the Effects button within the Audio tab. This will open up a library of audio effects that you can browse through. You can preview each effect by clicking on it, which allows you to hear how it sounds before adding it to your project. Once you find an effect you like, click Add, or drag and drop it directly onto the audio track in your timeline. Make sure to line it up with the part of the video where you want the effect to play. You can adjust the effect's duration by dragging its edges in the timeline. If you need to tweak the volume or other properties of the audio effect, click on the effect in the timeline, and you should see a Properties panel on the right side where you can make these adjustments. Remember to play back your video to ensure everything sounds just right, and make any final tweaks as needed. When you're satisfied with your edits, click Export to save your project with the new audio effects included. And that's it. You've successfully added audio effects to your CapCut project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.